Are you still using the QuickBooks Desktop and wondering how to make the switch to QuickBooks Online without any headache? Hello everyone, this is Irene back, your trust bookkeeper based in Atlanta, Georgia, and the best bookkeeper in the world. Today, I want to take a moment to talk to all my QuickBooks users out there, especially those still using the QuickBooks Desktop. Stay tuned. As you know, QuickBooks Desktop has been a reliable tool for many small businesses, but the future of the bookkeeping is in the cloud with QuickBooks Online. Moving your book from desktop to online might sound like a daunting task, but that is where I come from. I specialize in migrating your book from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online. Whether it's importing your data, ensuring that everything is set up correctly, or simply making sure you are comfortable with the new system, I have got you covered. With my expertise, I make this transition smooth, secure, and hassle-free, so you can focus on what really matters running your business. No need to worry about data loss, error, or complicated setup. I handle all of this. If you or someone you know need help migrating from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact me directly at the information below with the link in the description to book your free call. I'm here to make sure that your bookkeeping is as efficient and stress-free as possible. Let's get you set up in the cloud today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like this video, share, and follow for more bookkeeping tips and advice. See you next time. Bye for now.